Hey guys, welcome back. Mike here. We got the TT-02 out. We're going to make a couple of test runs, try to get everything lined out. Got my dual rates set up and things of that nature. Just don't know if it's going to go straight. It's been a while since this thing's been put back together, so zeroed out. Found my GPS, by the way, so that's good. Tracking. Now we'll see if this dude will go straight. Okay. Get her lined up here. Here we go. That did not last long. Already in the bushes, guys. Okay. Wanted to hook right when I take off for some reason. Really does not want to stay on the road. A little better. Seems like it wants to do it okay once it gets going. Body definitely needs to be lifted up there. Let's go check it out, see what it did. Or the body needs to be trimmed, really, for the most part. It's hitting every little thing on the road right now. Fans on. Okay. So I got the 70. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. I can feel the heat coming out of this dude though. So yeah, definitely needs to cool off a minute. I ran it back and forth several times there. So we'll let it cool off a minute, guys. And we'll reset it and make another run here. Well guys, my run may be cut a bit short here. I went to check it and noticed that my only one wheel was turning. So I guess in that first little bump down there, I knocked the lower suspension loose right here, if you can see, and I didn't know it. Well, it's been dragging the ground and it's completely flat. So, and of course the drive shaft is missing. So I'm gonna run down there and see if I can find the drive shaft, but I don't remember if I have any more lower arms, and then the bottom of that shock is probably no good. But she went 70, so we'll keep letting her cool off, and I'll go down there and look for a drive shaft, guys. But I think this will be the last run, or the only run. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll get it put back together and we'll get back out here for some more testing. Hopefully we'll get this dude to 100 plus. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.